simple. As much as you read, you can write a lot. So reading is a must for writing. So who loves reading? Just write in the chat box. Who loves reading? Cool, nice. So reading should be like breathing. As much as you read, you can write out a lot. You need the ideas, you need the words, you need so many things. Whatever you have written, if you keep on reading, you will get so many things to write out. Only few people who wants to read a lot. Cool, nice. How many times Ayush? So for reading part, there is one story you can see in front of you.
Yes.
Yes? So who is going to read this story? Anyone? Ayush Sharma.
Okay, ma'am. The
Ayush
lion.
Sharma, can I ask
Okay.
this question to you? Can you read this
Yes.
story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just read it.
The Lion and the Cows. Once upon a time, there lived 4 cows in the forest. Every day, they used to graze together in a particular spot. They were all friends. One day, a lion saw the cows grazing together. The lion wanted to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. The lion had to run away. A few days passed, and the cow quarreled between themselves and started grazing separately. Ma'am, wait, the chat. Because of the chat, I can't see. Yeah, one
Because,
by one, the lion killed all of them. Moral of the story: unity is strength.
so what do you think about this story, Ayush? Recently you read this story. So what did you learn from this story?
This I learned from this story that with unity, unity can what they call break anything. Like if you take a stick, you can break it. But if you take a bundle of stick and if someone tells to break it to by yourself, you can't. But if you in like if like 4 or 5 people break together, it can break easily. So this the moral of the story. This shows that with unity, you can defeat anyone.
Good, cool. Very nice, Ayush. Thank you so much. Now, while reading anything, you can read any paragraph, any story. How many pages you should read? If I ask you people, okay, read 4, 5 pages, 10 pages, is it easy for you or is it fun for you or is it very difficult for you? Fun, easy or difficult?
It's fun.
It's fun. You can read a lot if you like to read, isn't it?
Yes. And fun.
So first part is that you should read a lot on daily basis. As much as you read, you will get more ideas about the writing. So number one rule is reading. So this story you have seen that it is about the cows and it is having that moral unity is strength. If we are united, we are powerful. And if we are splitted, we are weak. So all of you should be united with your friends, your family, and each and everyone, right? Now, after reading what you have to do, what is the next step? Let's move. Select words. So whatever you read, maybe the 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 5 pages, completely up to you. find out some words out of that. Okay. For example, from this story, I took these words. You can pick your own words because if there are number of pages, it's completely up to you. So what is the magic number? How many words you should pick at a time? Isha Khajanchi, can you give me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if we are trying to like frame a story out of it, then we at least need like a lot of words. So, but if we are selecting words like ma'am, how you have done, then we probably need around 5 to 10 words.
So the simple answer is, how old are you, Isha?
Ma'am, I'm 10 years old.
10 years. So you can pick 10 words. If you are 8 years old, you can pick 8 years old. Sorry, 8 words. And if you are just 5 years old, I'm happy that you are just picking 5 words. So your age is your magic number. So all of you have seen this story. Out of that, you can pick any number of words. It's completely up to you. You can pick the number which is your magic number, or if you want to add more words, is completely up to you. Okay. So the second part is about selecting the words. All of you are writing the words?
And we should write the words now.
Yes, you have to select the words according to your magic number. So Arav, what is your magic number?
My magic number is 7.
7. So like pick 7 words. Any 7 words you can pick.
After that, do we have a story?
You want to see the story again?
No, after picking the words, should we frame a story?
We'll go. Wait, Tisha. Okay. Just first pick up the words. So Tisha, what is your magic number?
9.
9. Cool. So you have to pick 9 words.
Should we pick 9 the words from this which you are showing?
Yeah, because now a story you can't see, but see, these words are selected by me. You can select your own words. We can go back to that slide and we can see the whole story, and you can pick other words also. But for today's class, what we'll do, we'll just pick the words from this one only, so that things will be common for each and everyone. Okay?
Ma'am, what should we do after picking?
We'll do some magic. We'll play. Are you ready for the game?
Ma'am, any what?
We'll play a game afterwards.
I pick my words.
Cool. Everybody is through. Please pick your words. Take your time. Because there are so many children. Those are very small. Please write your words. When you're through, just write in the chat box, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. So that I can see you're through with this part.
Catch. Themselves, unity, strength, fought separately.
Just keep on writing. If you are done, just write, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done, so that I can see you're through.
Pratibha, there are few 4-5 members who have just joined. So if you could just tell them to, select the words as per their age, they can start doing the work as well.
Okay. So whoever joined recently, please, these are the words. You can pick the words according to your age. How old are you? Based on that, your age is your magic number. And select few words from this list. At least it should be matched with your magic number. And if you want, you can add more words. It's completely up to you.
Ma'am, I just joined now. I didn't understand what to do.
Okay, who is this? Pradyumna, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also
Okay. Can you put on your camera first, Pradyum, so that I can see?
Ma'am, I also joined right now.
No issues, no worries. You have to do. See, you can see my screen. Select words.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So,
Yes, ma'am.
so Pradyumna, how old are you?
Ma'am, I'm 8.
8. So from this list, you have to pick 8 words. 8
Okay,
words.
ma'am.
According to your age, just pick the words.
Ma'am, first we have to write all the words and then we have to pick any words.
If you want to write all words, you can write. It's completely up to you. But minimum word should be how many? Your magic number, your age. Cool. And once you're through, please keep on writing I am done, so that I'll be clear that you are through. And since few people had joined recently, so we should wait for some time so that they can complete their work, because this is the major part. Afterwards, we can go through into the next sections. Cool. Keep on writing. And if any one of you need help from your parents or siblings, please ask for the help. If you are not able to write.
Ma'am, we have to select the words as per the age, right?
Yeah, as per the age.
And next, what we have to do?
We are there only.
Okay.
Because many are there, they are like, recently joined. So I'm just giving the time to each and everyone. Here we can pause for some time, but afterwards, we'll go with the, game mode. So we'll be a bit faster. So keep your time.
Yeah, even I came now. I just heard what to do, so I'm just running.
So shall I move? I think most of you have done. Right? Yes or no? I just want to see your thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Cool, nice. So next part is the game. So think, imagine, and find related words. That's the second part. Next part. Okay. First, you read the story or any paragraph, anything, whatever you want to read, you can read. Number 2, select words. Number 3, think, imagine, and find related words. So you can see here it has written lion, and the related word is king, cow, milk, forest, trees.
Miss,
Yes.
do we have to copy the related words? Get it.
No, there is a challenge for all of you. Challenge is that you have to write your own words, related words in the chat box. So I want to see who is going to write fast.
Ma'am, is it like this? You have to like it's Lion King. Lion is the king of forest. We have to do like that.
Related means it is
And
not
we have-
telling the exact meaning. Lion is not the meaning of the lion is not the king, but lion is the king of the jungle. So means related thing, like cow and milk, how they are related. So this is how you can pick the related words.
Miss, so we don't have to copy the related words.
If
We
you
don't
want
have to write.
If you want, you can copy, no issues. But use your brain, use your imagination and think and write your own words. In the chat box, I want to see who is doing very fast. And whenever you are through, write in the chat box, fast. Game.
Ma'am, if the words are same, then I didn't actually copy.
Ma'am, I already wrote in the chat box.
Miss, if I think of the same words, can I actually copy?
Okay, Arvi, just wait. Okay, I'm going to ask few questions to you. Okay, now it's your turn. Friend, what comes in your mind?
Friend, for friend comes in my mind myself because I'm myself and my friends are.
One word. Only one word, not more than that. Okay, friend.
Me.
Cloud.
Sky.
Rain.
Sky.
Umbrella.
Water. Rain.
Water.
Lake. Umbrella. River.
Girl.
Fish.
Girl. 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 Girl.
Me. Me.
So this is how you can, go into your imagination. Never try to copy anyone in your life. Be your original version and use your brain as much as you can because you are unique. All of you are having a good brain. Use your brain and write your own words. If you're not getting, you can copy, but use your own brain or your own creative mind. You have a big mind in your head. You know that? So just use that. And it's a game. So fast. I just want to see the answer in the chat box. Who is going to write very fast? I want to see the speed. Fast.
Move it.
Cool. I am getting so many good answers. Wow. Particular food. Keep on writing fast. Wow. Nose, smell. But nose is not there. Movie. Forest, dark, unity together, graze. Okay, catch, Pokemon. Keep on writing. It's a game. Fast. How fast you are in your imagination. You can give multiple answers. Though I have written only one word which is related, you can write 2, 3, 4, 5, many words. It's completely up to you. Whatever comes in your mind, keep on writing. Keep on writing because it's all about the writing and you are going to become a writer. So keep on writing. Cool, nice, very nice. Wow, cool answers. So all of you have magic words in your paper, right? For each and every magic word which you have written in your notebook or on your page, write down the related words in your page. Are you getting what I'm telling you people? See, recently you have selected few words, right? In your notebook, you have selected few words. You have to write the related words, okay, of those selected words. Whatever the answer you are writing in the chat box, in a similar fashion, you have to write those words in that page where you have written the selected words. Okay, if any one of you wants a kind of help, please ask your parents, your siblings, if you are not able to understand. If something is not clear to anyone, please unmute yourself and ask.
Ma'am, should we do like if we want that we wrote like if someone wrote, if example I wrote something in the chat box,
like you said you said us to write. If I wrote catch and ball, should I write that in my notebook? And if we want, we can write our if we want, we can write our chat, or we also have to write others chat. Or
No, you have to write on that paper. Recently you selected. How old are you, Nantara?
yes,
How old are you?
I'm 8.
8. So how many words you picked up?
I picked up 5 I picked up 5 from here because I didn't see in many actually.
Okay, no issues. Okay, so you have the 5 words, right? So for those 5
Something
words,
went wrong. Please try again.
so for those 5 words, you have to write the related words on your paper. You must have some paper now where you're writing.
Yes.
Yeah, so there you have to write related words. Okay.
From the chat box.
And Tara, clear?
From the chat box I have to write.
Yeah, from the chat box, or I mean, even though if you have done with the chat box, you can write on your own new words. It's completely up to you. Because whenever you think, you always get new words all the time. So it's all about the creativity. It is not about every time you have to be the same. Okay, Nantara?
Okay.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, I finished.
So if you are through with the related words, please write I am done in the chat box so that it will be clear to me you are through with this step. Cool, nice. Love to see all these things. I'm done. Wow, nice. So everybody is through. Shall I move forward? Yes?
No.
Yes?
Yes. Last word.
Okay. Take your time. No issues. Be comfortable.
And when will this class end?
Mm-hmm.
And I want to know when will this class end?
Ayush, I'm not getting what are you telling?
And when will this class come to an end? Like end?
Come to an end. Okay, it will take some time. Half an hour.
Oh, okay.
So next step is make sentences. So now recently you have selected few words, then afterwards you wrote the related words. So using those related words and the selected words, make some sentences. So what is your magic number? Shubh, what is your magic number?
8. I'm 8 years old.
8 years old. So at least you have to make 8 sentences.
Okay.
So using those words, selected words and the related words, you have to make sentences. So you can see the example. The lion is the king of the jungle. You can make the big sentences, small sentences. It's completely up to you. But in each and every sentence, you have to use at least one word. At least. You can use multiple words also. It's completely up to you. It is your creativity. Yes, and keep on writing your words into the sentences and keep on writing your sentences into the chat box and in your page also. All of you are using one paper now. So in that notebook or paper, just keep writing the sentences and as well as in the chat box also, so that I'll be knowing that what are you doing.
Ma'am,
Just 1 minute. Advika has written, can we make sentences using both words? Yes, you can. What I said, at least one word has to be there in a sentence. You can use as many as words in one sentence. It's completely up to you, your creativity. Yes. Who was asking? Yes. So just keep on writing. And according to your magic number, you have to write at least that much. So, Kunjal, what is your magic number?
10.
10. So you have to write how many sentences?
10.
10. Cool. Nice. Keep on writing. And as well as keep writing in the chat box also, so that I'll be very clear. Where are you? Yeah. Who is this?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that can we change the tense of the for change of the like if it is catch, can we change it in the caught? Can we change the tense of the
Yes, yes, you can. It's up to you. How are you using that particular verb? So it doesn't matter in which tense you are writing. It's important you are writing the sentences, though it should be correct according to the grammar. Here we are not making any story. Here we are just writing the sentences. Because in one go, we are not going to make a big story. That is not the objective. The objective is using your creativity, your imagination. As much as you can put your imagination into the words, you can put the creativity in your, like in making sentences. That is much more important. So keep on writing, keep on writing, keep on writing, because it's all about the writing. And you are a writer because you can think. So who can think can be a writer. How many of you know a child who has become an author? Any idea? Do you know anyone who is the author but who is the child also? There are many, many children. When I went to this Delhi book fair, I met so many children, those who have written the books.
Ma'am, I know one author which was a child and wrote a book, Dav Pilke. He was not a good listener in his class, so when he got detention, he made stories like Captain Underpants and Dogman.
Very nice. Anyone of you who
I was also
about Christopher
I was also about to say that.
yeah. Who is talking?
RV.
Yeah, Arvi. Yeah, tell me.
I was also about to say that Dogman and Captain Underpants author. He was a kid and he was not that good in listening in class.
Ma'am, How to Train Your Dragon was written by Cressida Cowell.
Christopher Paloni is what they
The
call.
book that she used to write it. She used to write her books on an island.
Yeah. So what do you think? What is the age? What is the idealistic age to become an author?
There is no age for.
There is no
age.
Yeah, so there is no age. Even
There is no age.
5 years old or 6 years old, you can become an author. So don't underestimate your powers. You have a lot of power within you. Only thing is that you should know how to use this power. You should know the right way, how to imagine and you need lot of practice. So you need lot of practice. For that you need to sit, you need to think, you need to imagine, and you have to pen down. It's very important. Writing, keep on writing. And if you're through with your sentences, just write I'm done in the chat box, so that I'll be aware of where are you now.
Ma'am, can we write sentences from this make sentences and there are sentences? Can we
Yeah,
write sentences?
see, Nayantara, if you are not getting any idea from your side, you can copy. But what I said, these are just the example to help you people to make it clear how to make all these things. Okay, but use your own creativity. That will be much better for you. You can copy, but apart from that, make your own sentences. Because whenever you are getting any chance to do something on your own, it is not about getting the first rank. It is about being the original. If you are copying something and if you are doing something which is done by others, it is not your own thing. Important thing is that even though if you are doing simple things, but if things are done by you, that is the greatest prize in the life. So
Ma'am,
be your original version. Yeah.
ma'am,
Yes,
I wrote a story and that was published in a book, inside a book.
wow, very nice, Ayush. Very good. So keep on writing. Even in your schools also, there are school magazines. There are many websites where you can write your blogs. You can write your own stories. So don't underestimate your power and don't wait for the time. Okay, when I will be like, 15 years, when I will be 20 years, then I keep on writing. No, you can be an author in any age, because many of you have written that there's no age limit. So you can be, you all have the powers, because for writing what we need, just thinking power. And God has given you a good mind, so use it. And today you are getting the chance to develop these skills, to know the right way. So use this chance as much as you can. And every time do this practice, because it is not the one time you are doing in 1 hour and that's enough. No, keep on writing, practicing. So when you are through, please write I'm done, so that I'll be aware of where are you. Cool. Manan has written done. Tanmay done. Okay. Vidhi done. Ananya done. Ayush done. Laksh done. Laksh done. Ayush Sharma. Okay. Manya done. Avishi done. Keep on writing. Once you are through, please let me know, so that I'll be aware of you are through.
Hi.
Done. Sanvi done. Sanvi, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sorry for joining a bit late.
No issues. Cool.
Now.
So, did you write the sentences?
What sentences?
Making the sentences.
You mean the lion is the king of the jungle, cow is domestic animal?
Yeah. When did you join, Sanvi?
Now.
Oh, okay, Sanvi. Actually, we are through the many other parts. So what you can do, you can pick, how old are you, Sanvi?
6.5.
6.5. Okay. So it is about making the sentences. For that, you need to select some words and afterwards related word. Then you have to make the sentences. Okay. So we are in this part. Anyways, just write 6 sentences from this list, and I'll revise each and everything once this process is over. Okay, Sanvi? Is that clear?
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
So everybody is through. Shall I move forward?
But do we have to make our own sentences, or should we copy what you've written?
See, you have to make your own sentences, but if you want any kind of reference, you can pick these sentences just for the reference. Okay, these are the things how to make, and in any tense you can make. So it's not about, I mean, you have to just be particular, okay, present, past, and future. No, you can make any,
Okay.
but grammatically it should be correct. So important thing is uses of words into the sentences.
No, ma'am, I'm not finished now. I'm writing.
Okay, no issues. Take your time, finish it bit faster so that we can go through the next segments. Once you are through, please write done, 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 so that I'll be aware of you are through. And who has done everything, just imagine the words, whatever you have selected, like suppose land. So you can draw land on this page, decorate your page. Jungle you can draw, you can use your color pencils, colors. So start designing coloring part. Who are through with the making sentences, design your page.
Ma'am, but I have no place for making pictures and all.
Okay, you can do in the back side.
Ma'am,
Because-
half a page?
See, suppose this is the page where you have written the sentences, then you can decorate. You can make the, like, smileys, you can put some designs, you can put some, like, characters.
Like how? Like how?
Huh?
Ma'am, I don't have space to do it. So I'm doing it
Okay,
in
no
blank.
issue. You can do in the back side.
Ma'am, mine is like it's
Ma'am, we can
another
draw
color.
anything.
I'll show you how to make it like this.
Ma'am, we can draw anything.
Yes, you can draw anything. Make it so beautiful because it is your imagination. It is not just about the writing sentences. It is about.
Ma'am, can we create it with our mind, with our creation, like
Yes,
anything?
your own creation, but only thing is that you have to keep in your mind whatever the words you have used, you can make some relation with those words also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to make in another page because I don't have space.
To make a beautiful design around those sentences so that your imagination will get a beautiful shape. It's very important part. Coloring, designing, it's very important part. Decorate your page where you have written the sentences in your own way. Use your creativity. Brush your mind. And just take the pictures and put in the chat box.
Can you repeat? I had network problem.
Ma'am, are we supposed to click pictures and then put it
Yes.
in the chat
Yes.
box?
Yes.
Yes.
then your work will be over. That is the final touch. Take your time, decorate as like in your own way. Just take a picture of that page and put in the chat box so everyone can see.
I don't know how to
Ma'am,
put it.
how can we put in the chat box? Ma'am, we cannot put the pictures in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am, we cannot put it in the chat box.
Put it in the Word
Ma'am,
document,
we
then
can
put
put,
it in the chat.
but it has to be in a folder.
That you can share actually. Okay, you can put in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am, I can put in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah,
Now
better.
only, right?
Yes.
Now only.
I can see in the WhatsApp group, you can put the pictures in, that will be easier for you people, right? Just put the pictures in WhatsApp group.
If we finish the work, can we leave?
Ayush, are you in a hurry?
No.
Then why are you asking this question again and again? Ayush?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shruti?
I'm Sharanya.
Oh, your name has written Shruti. That's why. Sorry for that.
I changed it.
Yeah, Sharanya.
So, I had network problems, so I couldn't hear you.
Okay, no issues. Where were you, Sharanya? How long you had, that network and you were able to hear me? Sharanya, you are muted. I cannot hear.
I couldn't hear you because it left the meeting by itself. So
Yeah,
I
I
was
understood
trying
that
to join
point. So
again.
I'm asking how much you had done so that I can help you.
I've done till the sentences.
Okay, afterwards, after the sentences, you have to decorate your page. Put your imaginations and take a picture and post in the WhatsApp group so that I can see.
Okay. Thank you.
And who all are through, just take a pic and post in the WhatsApp group and just write done in the chat box. So all of you have 5 minutes in your hand.
I'm finished.
Cool. So just take a pic. Once your decoration is
Ma'am,
over,
I'm almost done.
yeah, and just take
Is
a
this
picture and
fine?
post in the group fast.
Is
Because
this
time
fine?
management is very, very important. Ayush, I can see, but you didn't put the color. You are just in a hurry. Designs are very nice, but put colors fast. You have the 5 minutes. Time is very important for each and everyone. So within the limited time, just finish it.
Ma'am, I cannot do when my hands are paining and I have no space. So can I do it afterwards?
No issues. Whenever you are through, you can finish it and you can post it in the group so that I'll be aware of who has done and who hasn't done, because I will keep that check.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just giving 5 minutes to each and everyone so that you can finish your work a little bit faster.
Ma'am, I've sent the picture in the group.
Licha, see. Nice, very nice, beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Clap for you. Wow, nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
In your imagination, you can use anything. Even you can use the pulses. Pulses, you know na? दालें जो होती है घर में. You can use.
Miss, I'm just gonna tell my mom to send it on the WhatsApp too.
Okay. So whenever, although I mean today I just told you people just to use the colors, but whenever you do this kind of practice, you can use anything for the decoration and make it a perfect picture.
Ma'am, it's Sharanya here and I can't put the picture on WhatsApp, but can I show it on the screen?
Why can't you put in the WhatsApp, Sharanya? Is there any problem?
I'm on a laptop and on laptop you can't do it, but my mama has gone out and I'm at home with my father. He has a call.
Okay.
And my mama took her phone with her, so I can't post.
No issue. So whenever you have, like your mom is back, you can just take a pic and you can post in the group also. Okay, Sharanya? Yeah, nice. I can see. Wow. Clap for you, Sharanya. Okay, just take a pic afterwards. Okay. Even you can take a pic using your laptop and you can save as a file and afterwards you can share. Anyways, it is all the technical things. I'm not going into that detail, but afterwards also you can do this work. Okay, Sharanya?
Okay.
Who all are through, just write done in the chat box so that I'll be aware of you are through.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I finished. Can I show?
Prisha, post in the WhatsApp group. I can see there. Okay, okay,
ma'am,
Prisha.
my drawing.
Ma'am, I posted in the WhatsApp group too.
Yeah. I've seen. Ayush, just click a picture and post in the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, I'm showing. Ma'am, this is Nantara. Can you bring some water?
Yeah. So Nayantara, you can also put some colors and just take a picture and post in the WhatsApp group. Very nice, Nayantara. Rocket, I can see.
Ma'am, that's not a rocket.
Oh, it looks like. What is that?
It's a castle.
Oh, castle. Oh,
Yes.
once you put the color, I mean, it will be really shape up in that form. Okay, Nayantara, very nice. Yeah, Ayush, very nice. I can see your post. All are through, just take the picture and post in the WhatsApp group so that I can see what you people had done.
Ma'am, time is up.
I know that. But I know because designing and drawing, it takes some time. So I thought of, okay.
Ma'am, because on Friday, Saturday, we go to art classes also.
Oh,
Ma'am, my mom is just sending
okay.
the picture on the
So what
WhatsApp.
we did in today's class, all of you can note down the steps also. I mean, if you want, if you remember, it's fine with you. Number 1, read a paragraph or a story. Number 2, select a few words. Number 3, think and write related words. Number 4, make sentences using those words. Number 5, put designs and colors on your page. And number 5 twice. Number 6 actually.
Ma'am,
Next one is,
ma'am, can I go and just get my mother's phone and send it in the WhatsApp?
yeah, you can.
Okay.
And last is memorize newly learned words. So whenever you're writing, you can memorize new words. So every time you can develop your vocabulary also. You can improve your vocabulary. So it is very important to memorize the words and use them again and again. So this is how every time when you do this kind of practice, you can see the big difference in you, in your thinking process, in your writing process, and in your memory process, and in your creativity. So it's a big combo for all of you to do this kind of practice. You can do this practice on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, is up to you. If you really want to become a writer, if you really want to become an author, keep writing and keep doing this kind of practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, can you check my photo on the WhatsApp group?
Yes, I saw. Okay, very nice, Aditi. Yes. Thank you. Clap for you. Kusum, everybody is through. Shall I move forward?
Yes.
क्योंकि अभी ड्राइंग में सबको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा.
हाँ जी.
I'm not done writing.
What these people can do, whoever are through, they can post. Otherwise, afterwards also, because many are posting.
Ma'am, where should we post our picture?
In WhatsApp group.
Okay. Ma'am, Nantara, I am showing my picture. I colored it.
Very nice. You can take a pic and post in the group.
Ma'am, will you understand actually what I did mean?
You have to just take a picture of your drawing and post in the group, WhatsApp group. Ask your mom. Where is your mom? Just ask your mom.
Ma'am, is my picture okay?
Wow, very nice. Take this picture and post in the group. Wow, nice. Lion, wow. Wow, Kavya, it's very nice.
He's in the cage.
Yes, I can see. See, you people, all of you are very creative.
Ma'am, for this one, my family is strong and we are together.
Wow, nice. So it's about family because together, and it's about the land, okay? And the third is our remaining part.
And this, my brother is taking my things and I'm getting angry.
So what you can do, Kavya, with this, see, near to cage, what you can write? Lion, okay? Because lion is there. And with family, you can write together. And with the remaining thing, you can, so like what will happen? You will never ever forget these words in your life. And you can use any point of time. So this is how you can develop your vocabulary, because vocabulary, it doesn't happen in 1 day or 2 days. It takes time. But this is how you can bring all these things into the practice, and you can see a vast memory, a vast vocabulary. and you can use at any point of time, not only at the writing. You can, while speaking, you can use all these kind of words very easily. Yes. कुसुम, क्या करूं मैं, बताओ?
अभी इसके आगे भी कुछ है? You have thought about something?
Yes, इसके बाद भी एक है. Means I'm
so
summary actually.
I think we can continue with that. बच्चों का जैसे भी होगा ना, they'll keep sending the pictures in the WhatsApp.
तो एक बार ना रिक्वेस्ट भी डाल देना सारों को, so that मतलब उनको ये ना लगे कि complete नहीं हुआ, मतलब होता है ना, whenever they complete their work, so that because it's very important to post it, because that is the kind of thing that will be giving a kind of completeness. They have done something, like, you know, in a complete way.
Sure, I'll put in a message.
Shall I move forward?
हाँ जी,
ठीक है, चलो जी, सब खड़े हो जाओ, डांस करना है अभी सबको.
I posted it.
My classes are not very boring. I don't like the boring classes. It's all about the dance fun, because clap for everyone, because you have done very good work today. Bravo.
मैम क्लास और कितनी देर है?
बस और बस लास्ट है ये.
मैम,
Yes.
मैम I posted it.
Hello.
Cool, nice.
I posted it. You can check it.
Okay, I'll check. Is this audible? आवाज आ रही है?
This is Sanvi.
Is it audible?
What is audible?
No, Pratibha, you will have to share the, you know, system sound also.
How to share that?
एक second, I'll call Kanak. I don't know. She knows.
Ma'am, I know how to share the computer sound.
Avishi, can you please help Pratibha auntie then how to share computer sound?
Yeah, first they have to like screen off the screen share. Then when they screen share again, they will have options now that what they want to screen share. In that it will also ask down, in the very down it will ask share computer sound. It will not show a blue tick in it. So put a tick, just click it and it will show a blue tick, and then when you screen share it will come the sound.
Okay, I think it happens normally generally.
Tools, there will be more options. In that you can click share computer sound.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes, yes, you can.
ये आवाज नहीं आ रही है बस.
स्क्रीन शेयर के ऑप्शन में ही ना मोर करके ऑप्शन रहेगा, देखो.
न्यू शेयर, पॉज शेयर, क्या करूं मैं?
उसी में मोर ऑप्शंस में है क्या?
First is stop share.
Computer sound.
Yes, it has come.
चलो सब जने डांस चालू.
What a beautiful performance. My God.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear.
Now stop sharing. So, how was the class?
Good. Very good. Enjoyed the class today.
Interesting.
So for everyone, who has done the all decoration, whatever the part you are through with that, you can take a pic and you can post and keep on practicing whatever I told you in today's class, because as much as you do the practice, read in, write out, it's completely in your hand and you can be a writer. Although I would like to say you all of you are writers. So for all writers, right? So I would like to hear from any one of you who would like to speak. Nayantara,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to say something?
No.
No.
I
Okay.
would like to say that today's class was like fun. It was nice actually.
Nice.
Today's class was so
Yes.
cool and fun.
Wow, cool. What about you, Isha? Yes, you are showing your hand.
Yes, ma'am, it was really interesting, and thank you, ma'am, for the class.
Welcome, welcome. Yes, Arvi, what do you like to say?
Ma'am, the class was very interesting.
Wow. So
I
you
enjoyed it.
are practicing all those things, whatever I told you, okay? Anyone else who wants to speak? Yes, Laksh.
Ma'am, the class was really interesting. I already like writing my own stories and reading, so this was a really great help for me, this class.
Wow, cool, cool. Thank you, Laksh. Kavya, yes, what do you want to say?
Tomorrow is also one more class.
Tomorrow, that Kusum auntie will tell you. Now she will be like guiding you people. What is the what are about the next classes and all. Anyone else who wants to talk? You can unmute yourself and you can talk and show me your hand. Yes, you want to say something?
Ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am.
who is this? I cannot see.
Ruhani.
Ruhani. Okay, Ruhani, I cannot see your face. Can you put on your video?
Yes. Ma'am.
Yes, Ruhani.
Ma'am, the class was very good and it was interesting only. That we didn't only did story writing, we also did a little dance also.
Yeah. So because life is all about fun. So learning with fun, right? Cool, nice. Keep on practicing.
Sandy has raised her hand. Sandy?
I liked today's class. It was fun.
Wow, cool. Thank you. Anyone else?
And we enjoyed your dance also, Sanvi.
Thank you.
Yeah, anyone wants to talk, you can unmute yourself and you can talk if you want to say something, because as much as you speak, as much as you read, as much as you write, you can become a good writer, speaker. It's all in your hand. So whenever you get any chance in your life, always encash your chances. It's not about okay, I should not say, what should I say? Just say something.
Ma'am, thank you for your lovely class. I loved writing whenever I had break in school. Now, should I leave?
Yes, Adya, what do you want to say? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, the class was very catchy and it was also interesting.
Okay, thank you, Adya. Anyone else who wants to talk, you can unmute and you can show your hands. Taranya, what do you want to say?
To say that whenever I had my break in school, I used to write something. That's why I always think what to write, and today I wrote a recipe.
Oh, very nice.
this
Prisha,
class
it is working.
has improved me. Thank you. Bye now, I'm going to lead the meeting.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, who is this?
Prisha.
Yeah, you can. Unmute yourself and say.
Today's class was very interesting and fun with the songs.
Thank you, Prisha. P for Pratibha, P for Prisha.
Miss, should we leave the meeting or what?
Yeah, you can. Class is over. Okay.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
all.
Ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
टाइम से हो गया ना कुसुम?
Bye.
हाँ जी, हो गया सब कुछ आराम से अच्छे से हुआ, बहुत अच्छा था क्लास।
थैंक यू।
दीदी आपको कुछ बोलना है?
Wait. Hello, ma'am.
हाँ जी।
It अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था. It was nice, though she doesn't know how to write. But if I give her words, she was imagining things and she was giving me the sentences. Because she yet to turn 5, but she has drawn houses and everything the way you told.
Yeah. Because in my classes, even in emotion intelligence classes, 5 years old, 6 years old, they speak a lot. I mean, we cannot understand.
Yes. She doesn't know how to write, but she was telling me.
क्या होता है, पेरेंट्स क्या सोचते हैं, अरे ये तो बहुत छोटा है. मैं बताती हूँ 6-6 साल के बच्चों ने क्या धड़ल्ले से बोलते हैं मेरी क्लासेस में आकर के. So, don't underestimate their power. Let them imagine. But थोड़ा help चाहिए होता है इन बच्चों को. They cannot know that. That's why I told them
I selected the words for her which she can go, and then she started framing sentences out of it. So it was good. Overall, the session was really good. So even if we want to put the efforts behind them, we can do that.
Yeah, definitely. Keep on practicing.
Yes. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, Kusumdi.
Thank you, Harini and Hriday. We loved your dance. बहुत अच्छा डांस किया आपने.
Thank you.
चलो.
We would like to have one more session, ma'am, if everyone agrees.
We'll do more sessions. No worries.
Yes. Thank
Let's do it
you.
soon. ठीक है, चलिए बाय. Take care then.
Thank you.
चलो ठीक है.
Bye Tara. Bye Avishi.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
ठीक है कुसुम. Okay, I'll take a leave.
Yes, thank you so much Pratibha. Bye.
Okay, welcome. Okay, bye-bye.